Hello and welcome to Easy How To videos. In this video, I will show you how to back up your photos using Google Photos on your Android smartphone. If you have an Android smartphone, usually there's already Google Photos installed on your phone. You can open the Google folder on your phone and then you can look for photos. Or if there's no Google Photos on your phone, you can also download it using the Google Play and we search Google Photo. And after that, you can open the Google Photo. By default, Google Photo will automatically back up your photos on your Google Photos. And to make sure that our photos are being backed up using Google Photos, we can click on the icon here and then we go to Photo Setting and then we click the backup menu. Here we can see that our photos are being backed up using our Gmail account. Google Photos is basically free with some limited storage. You can also add more storage by clicking the Manage Storage button and you can purchase another plan to increase your storage. Now your Google Photos are being backed up to your Google storage. If you want to turn off the backup, you can just turn off this toggle so Google Photos won't back up your photo. But if you turn it on, Google Photo will back up any photo you take or any photo you download on your smartphone to Google Photos. Here also we can change the setting of the backup quality and also we can change the setting if we want to use data usage on backup Google Photo. I highly recommend to turn it off because it will take high data consumption if you turn on backup photos or video using mobile data. And then you can access all the media that being saved on the Google Photos by using our desktop browser. To do that, we can access to photos.google.com or we can also click the Google Apps menu on the top right button and then we click on Google Photos. Here, the photos that being captured by our smartphone is being backed up on Google Photos. So that's it, my easy guide on how to back up your photos using Google Photos. Hope this video can help you. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.